How to use planning poker technique to estimate your user stories. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the Scrum team, including developers, product owner, and Scrum Master, in a room or a virtual meeting. Give each team member a deck of planning poker cards or access to an app. Step 2. Explain the rules. The Scrum Master or facilitator explains the rules of planning poker to the team. The team will estimate user stories by assigning each story a story point value. Estimates should be based on their understanding of the user story, including complexity, unknowns, and potential risks. The goal is to reach a consensus estimate, but discussions are encouraged to address any significant discrepancies. Step 3. Start estimating. The product owner presents the first user story from the backlog to be estimated. Each team member privately selects a planning poker card representing their estimate for the user story. They do not reveal their card. Step 4. Reveal estimates. The team members simultaneously reveal their cards or verbally announce their estimates. If there is a consensus, record that estimate and move on to the next user story. Step 5. Discuss and revote, if necessary. If there are differing estimates, team members discuss their rationale for their estimates. After the discussion, team members vote again by selecting a planning poker card. Repeat the discussion and revoting process until a consensus estimate is reached. The goal is to understand each other's viewpoints and agree on a final estimate. Once a consensus estimate is achieved, the Scrum Master or facilitator records the story point estimate for the user story. Step 7. Repeat for each user story in the backlog, one at a time. Step 8. Review and reflect. After estimating all user stories, take a moment to review the estimated story points for each story. Planning poker is a collaborative and engaging technique that encourages team members to share their expertise and reach a consensus on estimates. Over time, the team's estimation accuracy typically improves as they develop a shared understanding of complexity and effort.